the name column, the entries are written wrongly, are spelled wrongly, the names are spelled wrongly. When you come to this column, you will see that you have wrong spelling also. You have strange characters attached to words and wrong spellings. Then the date column is also messed up, right? Now, this data set is going to demonstrate how powerful this app I'm using to clean my data set without Excel is, right? Because it's going to fix this wrong spelling. Yes, it is going to fix this corrupted spellings. It's going to fix the date. To clean your data set, all you need to do is go to your browser and type datarevamper.com, and it is going to bring you to the sign up page. After you are done signing up, load your data set and start cleaning. So now we're going to upload our data set, right? Now this is data set. It has 8 rows and 5 columns, date formatting issue, currency symbols detected in name. Can you imagine? And we have casing inconsistency and we have special characters, right? Now I'm going to go over to step 7 to fix this. Okay, for the name column, remember it has wrong spellings, right? I'm going to do this first, then I'm going to click on fix corrupted characters for the name column, right? How cool is this? See, it gave us suggestions, right? It gave us fixes. And if you don't see a correct fix here, you can always click here to select, right? So I'm going to do this fix. It gave us for students. I don't like it, right? So I'm going to click on this and select the right spelling, which is this. Okay, then for John, it gave us this. I'm going to click here and select John, the right John. For Anna, it gave us the right spelling for Anna. For Mary, I'm going to select here, click on Mary, right? Then for students, I'm going to do this also for this student. Okay, for Alex, I'm going to do this for Alex. Okay, then Lucy gave us the right spelling. How cool is this? Can you imagine, right? So then for the comments, the same thing. I'm going to trim. I'm going to do proper case. Then I will select this cafe. I don't want to change cafe, so I'm going to uncheck this because this is the right spelling for cafe actually. Then for missing, it gives us the right spelling for missing. Value, I'm going to click this, right? Then invalid, give us the right spelling for invalid. Characters, give us the right spelling for characters. Corrupted, so I'm going to select the right spelling for corrupted. Cafe, I'm going to select the right spelling for cafe, which is this normal and bad data. This is good, right? Then for the dates, I'm going to convert to date time and I'm going to treat invalid data as invalid, right? Then that is it, guys. That is it. We are done cleaning this data set. How cool is this? Okay, then I'll just come to preview my data set. Okay, preview data sample, and this is it, guys. This is it. Then let's download it. Okay, prepare download, confirm download, download the data set. Okay, this is it, guys. Our data set is cleaned and ready. So with this, if you have not signed up, you are missing a lot. If you've not started using this app, you are missing a lot. And I'm going to drop the link to the app in the description. All you just have to do is go to datarevamper.com on any of your browser and start using the app. Sign up and start using the app. You don't have to be an expert or a pro before you can use this app. This app is easy to use, right? You don't have to be a data analyst. You don't have to be a computer guru. When I mean computer guru, I mean computer expert. You don't have to know how to use Excel to use this app. This app is for anybody, right? It's for business owners. If you have Excel sheets of data that you deal with for your day-to-day business transactions, you can use this app. I mean, you can apply percentage increments. You can get minimum and maximum sales for a particular period or for a particular column. You can extract conditions, right? You can extract values based on conditions, based on city, based on locations, based on customer ID. You can do anything with this app. So it's not just meant for tech users. No, this app is for everybody, provided you make use of data and you make use of Excel. This app is for you. So this is it, guys. This is what this app can do. It can fix wrong characters, it can fix corrupted text, it can fix corrupted characters, it can fix wrong spellings, okay? It can fix your dates, it can do a lot, guys. Use this app and thank me later, okay? So guys, this is it. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, because I'm going to be making more videos to show you how to clean your data set without using Excel. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.